Hey, it's Ian, and today we have the Smart Neck Massager with heat function and remote. Now this is designed to give you targeted relief on almost every part of your body. Now this is an entire kit, but first I want to talk about this neck massager. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is moisten the contacts with this included sprayer. Now the water is going to give your skin better contact to the electrodes so it can offer you a safe electronic stimulation. Now this is going to penetrate deep into your muscles so you can get a true shiatsu experience. And best of all, you can control everything, the intensity, the modes, with the included remote. This is great so you won't have to fumble around with the unit itself, so you can have an uninterrupted massage. Now one thing you will notice is that this also offers a heat function. Now this is going to heat up super quickly. This feels super soothing on your neck and is great for muscle recovery as well. But that's not all. Included in this kit are these two TENS unit sticky pads. This is great so you can stimulate other parts of your body, not just your neck. This is going to be great for your arms, abs, back, quads, and everything else. And as a bonus, you're also gonna get this cooling comfort gel mask. Now this features cooling water beads that stay cold after being in the fridge. And on the opposite side, it has a nice soft felt. This is gonna help for a whole host of things, including headaches. This is truly gonna complete that spa experience at home. Now just the neck massager alone can get super expensive. I've seen ones ranging up to $100 alone, but you are getting this full inclusive kit for an incredible deal. So head on over to the site and grab yours today.